Hello guys, welcome to Mia's World.
Hello guys, and welcome to Mia's World. Today we have some project. Mia and I are making, we're renovating a chalkboard. So we changed the color of this one from brown to a pink clay color. So after this chalkboard, we're also going to paint her kitchen set. There you go. So this is our project for today. Hopefully we can finish it while it's sunny day, right? There, so my baby knows how to paint. She's painting her stuff. It's good that she's helping out. Kids can also help out, especially if there's stuff they want. They can choose their own color of what they want for their things, right, sweetie? There you go. So it's sunny, that's why we're trying to make use of the sun for painting. Trying to make sure, because this actually we didn't bought it. I just found it in the street. So I carried it all the way here at home. Someone just threw it there, and we're trying to make it look like new again. So Mia is helping me out. We're not a professional in painting, but at least we can do something rather than the kids stay on the iPad. Right, baby? Rather than always on the iPad, at least she has to do something here.
Yeah. Rather than playing games or
It's true. Rather than you're always stuck on the games. You see what my baby, she's the one painting it, see?
What if you have some like mad games?
Yeah. So we're already on the bottom. Later we're already done with this one. Okay? It's very good. My baby painting all the hair. There. It's better than always playing games on the iPad, right? Yeah, I see. Then later you have a brand new kitchen. Very good. We still have a lot of furnitures to paint, kids furniture to paint, right, baby? We still have the tables and chairs. The kitchen, we're done. The chalkboard, we're done. Here's the chalkboard there. There's a cat there on the chalkboard. So, hi guys, we're almost done. Look at that.
Oh!
We're just waiting for the paint to dry up, and then later we'll be attaching all the accessories. I already placed the faucet here, the top. So there's the doors. They're all still wet, so I'm just waiting for them to get dry. There you go. So this is the sink. We also have some kitchen stuff for Mia. We have the hook here. There. Already have the hook. Almost done. Hi. So we're putting up the accessories. This is the handle. Yeah. We have to put it here. What are you doing? We have to put the handle there. And we have to screw it up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this the screw? I think I don't know if that's the screw.
You can say, oh my god, like it's in.
Or is this one?
I know how to speak Tagalog, but I don't know what to say.
I think I have to use the. So we're doing it manual screwing instead of the.
Screwing.
We have the air.
You have the air, so you can.
Electric. So Mia will try to put the handle by herself, just like I told her. So this is the handle. That's the one of the door of the cabinet. There, very good. I'll turn it over. Now what are you going to do? And that one has a paint. Then the gun. Press it down. Fit it properly. Go. There! Down the other one. That's smooth. Very good. That's how you do it. Okay, since we already placed the handle for each of the door of the cabinet, we're now going to attach it there. There. I need some screws here. There you go.
Here?
Yep.
There's
all the holes.
Two more?
Yeah, you screw it a bit. Okay. Don't be scared. Very good.
Stop tight.
Yeah. Very good. Very good, my little girl.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah, we already attached the small. It's like an oven actually. Yeah.
Oh, there's two more?
Yeah. Now we have to remove this one. We place this one so that the paint will not go to the glass.
Go to the back.
Can you peel it, sweetie?
Peel it. Yes.
Oh, I think I'm almost done. Very good. What's this one? There. I'll clean it up later. There. There you go. Now next we have to put the doors there. Our project is almost finished. Next, you will help me screw this one, the other two. Okay?
This?
No, this one.
Oh.
So this one will be here.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. Where's the
That
screw?
one will be there. The other one's on the other side. Yeah, wait, I still have to. Did I bring it all? Yeah, this one I have to attach this.
So is there two?
I'll hold here, yeah.
Here?
Very good. That's how you do it. Follow the angle. There. Here on top. Okay. There. That's also good technique. You should hold it with your two hands.
That's all?
Yep. That's all. Next door.
Like with this?
You know?
This?
Yes. You know how to do it?
Green.
Why green? We already painted
I'm
pink and
joking.
white.
I'm joking.
So we're attaching this one. Look at that. Can you see it there?
They turn it all white. I'm joking. All white is so boring, right?
Yeah. Where's the other white?
Oh, I saw it. I
Wait.
saw it.
It's a bit loose. So you have to put this one first. And like that. And you attach it there.
Attach it there.
Copy.
Oopsie.
There. Wait, where's the other white?
I see it.
So you'll be attaching that too. You have screws there. Don't bother the cut so we can finish. It's almost what time? Luna? There, the other one. That second one. No, here, second one. Very good. Now that one down.
Can you do it
The down, the last one.
here? Here?
Yeah, the angle. Very good.
That's all.
Yay!
Finally!
Finally what? Oh my god. There you go.
Hey, what's up inside?
We already screw. Okay. Attachments. Let's open it. Let's open everything. There. See? Even kids can do this.
Guys, look at me.
Naughty.
Well, it's really deep. Oh my.
That's it. Mia's finished product.
At the end, make sure to subscribe and if you want to find me, follow me. That's what you key. Bucket. Thanks for watching.